So guys, we're here with my personal car, 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse. And just like you, I'm buying every part and component from our Carvonics shop. So follow me on the journey. I'm gonna document everything. I'm gonna review it, post my mods on my car. And just like that, you'll see this thing transform. So I'm gonna document the entire process from start to finish, from unboxing to install to giving a review, and then even throwing this thing on a dyno, and all that's gonna happen on the Carvonics app. Follow me in my profile and check out the Dark Horse in my garage. So guys, it's super early, the start of day 6, and yesterday, the final component on the exhaust side arrived, the AWE SwitchPath. Oh, those bad boys. Beautiful. So from everything I've read, the Mustang 650s, is this H pipe is the way to go for the deep resonance, and the X pipe is the way to go for the raspy loud, which I'm honestly not a fan of. And then, other main reason why we went this route are these. Wrapped in a little plastic right now, but these are the resonators. So guys, when you're doing these builds, just keep in mind, loud is loud, okay? And I know that's, I think most people would say that's great, but you know, when you're putting this much money into a build, sometimes loud is not sexy. It is just effing loud. So I think these resonators are going to clean up and deepen the sound and feel of the car under acceleration. Because when my ears are hurting under acceleration, I'm not enjoying it. Yeah, so you think I'm gonna go to jail or go to jail?
Yeah.
It's pretty loud.
Probably going to jail.
Yeah, probably go to jail. So day 6, back at Lux Performance and Tuning, and we are doing the carbon fiber intake from Whipple. We're doing the AWE SwitchPath exhaust, and we're gonna be doing a dyno test of the entire car build and seeing just how much horsepower the Whipple-supercharged Dark Horse makes with the Kooks headers, the green cats, the AWE SwitchPath exhaust, and the Whipple supercharger all functioning and working. And I'm hoping that the carbon fiber intake gives me a little bit more of that supercharger whine, because I think that's the exact reason why we all do these things, is to have that mechanical sound. Power is great, but it's all about the sound for me. Most important thing for me is being able to mitigate the sound level at different times. And I think that's why AWE is one of the best. Is these are the factory valves, right? You see it's a Ford factory sticker on there, guys. That is what sets them apart. I think that relationship is really important, because then you get to keep that exhaust button inside your console, so you can set that easily. I looked at a couple other options, and that was definitely the best bet for me. So yeah, super excited. Gotta love AWE. Standard issue, blow pop. Nice. Look at these tips. Look at that quality. So with the new Whipple kit, we're gonna be replacing this in all carbon. The new boxes are open face, so that the filters will be exposed, which would be great. We should get some more sounds out of that, which is, again, my favorite part about all the cool stuff. For me, I love the turbo whistle and the supercharged whine, because it makes you feel like you're in control of the car. And for me, that's all I really want. Okay, look at this. How beautiful is that? Good job, Josh. Open box, carbon fiber, the stage 2, 112 throttle body on the Gen 3. Beautiful. Looks sick. That looks sick. I can't stress how much better that looks over factory with the plastic. There was something kind of sad about seeing a perfectly powder coated supercharger and plastic.
That big
ugly. Like, no offense, Whipple, it's not the prettiest thing, okay? I know. But if you guys are really doing this, just do it. Just go the extra mile and finish it off, because the eye candy of the supercharger, especially when you do a paint match with the carbon fiber, looks so much better. That's like 300% better.
And you're gonna get those.
Whop. So super excited. Okay, we're getting ready to install the AWE SwitchPath, and fun fact, Josh has now taken this exhaust off 3 times. So hopefully the 4th time's a charm, and we're gonna love the way this thing sounds. And again, the reason why we are getting rid of these is you guys see that it's a little neck down from the size of the Kooks here, right? So the Kooks, 3-inch, factory's 2.5. So we're gonna go to a full 3-inch setup. And that should relieve some of the raspiness from the factory setup. Josh getting the new H-pipe in there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 areas of potential danger. So take your time lining that up.
Yeah.
Resonators, yes, needed. Look how big those are.
She said.
Look at that thing. That's close. Woof. So after doing the exhaust a couple times, it's definitely like Tetris, trying to get everything to line up perfectly and not rub. And that AWE 3-inch is way bigger under there, which is awesome. But it's gonna require some more finagling to get it all lined up perfectly. And there's the valve. Easy way to see it now. Wow, much better. That's a much better note. Yeah, it's better.
Give it some.
How's that?
Give it some.
Yeah, go ahead. That's better.
That's better.
All right, that's it. We got the AWE on, got the Kooks headers, the green cats, the Whipple supercharger, the Whipple intake. Yeah, car is just perfect now. Sounds amazing. I knew that changing the mufflers was gonna make a big difference. AWE makes the best stuff. Adding those resonators kind of warmed up the sound, but it's still insanely loud, but not like loud because I was ghetto, more like loud because it's a race car. So that was the goal. And I think from the standpoint of putting the kit together, super easy, just a lot of time back and forth, deciding what you want. So if you're gonna go for the Whipple supercharger, just get the Kooks headers, get the green cats, and get the AWE SwitchPath. I should have did it right away. I learned my lesson, and here you go, day 6. So first drive on the AWE setup now. Much better. Such great sound that comes out of this exhaust. Night and day difference. night and day from the stock mufflers. Just so much better sound.